Wow, look at all my machines. So I guess you know what this means. Yes, the time has finally come to get all those Lawnboys running. First start of 2011. Well, except the 10642C that we started a couple of weeks ago. So here are the only ones that we're not going to start in the video. Well, as I mentioned briefly in my last cold start, the 5269G, the 1979 model with a D409 engine, has a broken pulley. This one here, the 8243AE, obviously with a broken pull starter rope. So you can't even crank the engine. And the 10360C is too much of a pain to take it down by myself, so I'll need an extra person to help me lift it. Oh yeah, I have to get this one running too, the battery one. And the trimmers here, also, obviously these two are broken, they don't work anymore. And these two, the weed eater, the green one, does work, except I just don't have enough gas to make a 40:1 gas mixture ratio. So I won't start it, but I know it runs. And this one died sometime in late September, early October. I just could never get it to run anymore, so I don't know what the problem is. It could be carburetor issues, but I'm not touching it until I finish my exams, which are going to be starting next week. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll give you a brief tour of all the Lawnboys and all the trimmers that we're going to feature. A couple of leaf blowers, still trimmers, home lights. Oh, we won't be starting that one, but there's here an 84, 98, 86, 93 all the way in the back, and the oldest one, the 80s, the 79 5277. So what I'm going to do to make it start easier is I'm going to leave them in the sun. It's really warm, you know, it's about 10 degrees Celsius. So we'll let them sit there for a while and then we'll put some gas in it and we'll see if they start. Alright, you're first. This is a 1979 Lawnboy 5277. I just put some gas in there. So this is the first start of 2011. There we go. Holy cow! Now you know why I like Lawnboys. They're amazing machines. Alright, next one here is a 1984 Lawnboy 4630. It's the F engine. Oh yes, the other one I just started was an F100. Take a good look around it. It's got the universal wheels that I'm not too thrilled of. I like the triangle ones. Alright, so to start it, this is like the on and off switch. There we go. Spark plug connected. Oh, it's coming. There we go. Sweet. Try another old timer. 1986 Lawnboy 5126. I got the same model back where the Oldsmobile is. Hopefully I'm going to be taking out next Saturday. This one here is the utility deck model. 20 inches side discharge, but I blocked it by putting a mulching blade and a deflector. The handlebar is somewhere in my command. So, fuel valve is on. Damn. And they've been sitting, oh what, 5 or 6 months? Sweet. Alright, next one. 1988 Lawnboy 7073. Another F engine. Alright. See how this one goes. Put on choke. Wow. Alright, next one here is a 1993 Lawnboy 10201 with a 4.5 two-cycle V engine. This was the predate model of the Duraforce engine that came in 1998. This one here is not self-propelled, so let's put some gas in here and we'll see how this one goes. Alright, perfect. This one has no primer bulb. It has manual choke. Smoky, but that one runs sweet. Alright, next Lawnboy here is a 10323 1998. This was the first year of the 6.5 horsepower Duraforce engine, which was consequently the last two-cycle engine ever built by Lawnboy. So this one here is the self-propelled model. As many of you have already seen, this was the same engine that was on the 10247. Since the 10323 engine busted a rod, I decided to swap it. Sadly, I don't have a video of that, but we'll see how this one starts. This one has a problem with the surging, so hopefully it's not too bad. I need a tripod so we can see how it runs. Alright, this one's going to be Old Smoky. It's a very smoky machine. Wow, the Lawnboys are really starting well this year. Alright, next one here, 1999 Lawnboy 10260. 4.5 horsepower Tecumseh motor. Right over here. And as you can see, no gas in here. So I'm going to go fill this up. This is expensive stuff here. Alright, I have enough gas to fire. Since gas is $1.36 here per liter, multiply that by 4 if you're in the US. That's how much we're paying, almost $6 a liter, a gallon. Alright, see this one. It's very stiff. Ooh. It smells very oily. Oh, that could be the problem. But heck, she started. Not bad for a Tecumseh product. Alright, next Lawnboy. Alright, next one. 10401C. This is a 2000 model, believe it or not. This is a Gold Series. 5 horsepower. The F engine. So I modified the wheels. I didn't like the other ones, so I used the original Lawnboy triangle wheels. And the front wheels broke over the years, so I just decided to put the universal ones. Alright, fuel valve is on. Alright, pump. Oh, I think something's wrong with the primer bulb. Maybe I'll just get rid of this here so you can see it better. Alright, first start. Put it on choke. Got a shot off the fuel valve because this has a leaking problem. Cool. And this one here, 2010 Lawnboy 10642C. We just saw this one start up with really no problem 3 weeks ago. See right there? This one is a Briggs and Stratton Quantum engine with ReadyStart. Yeah, you're stealing the show, aren't you? Alright now. So, I've not have done anything to it since I last started it. So, it still has enough gas in there, so here we go. Awesome. And the last mower I'm going to start, or at least attempt to start, is a 1990 Rally BP75AR. Same engine as the 642. Yeah, you can see the serial number right here indicates it's the 90. Have to pour some oil in there. Alright, so see if you can rely on the Rally to start. Well, looks like I'm going to have to do some work on this one. But other than that, Lawnboys don't hardly any need repairing. That's sweet. So the next video, we're going to start all these trimmers and the leaf blower. See how well those go. So hope you enjoyed these awesome Lawnboy cold starts, and have a nice day.